Welcome to the fourth episode of the FORCEPRO demo series on active suspension control. In this video, we will discuss the main differences between the QP General and QP Fast solvers. QP Fast is a new algorithm introduced from FORCEPRO version 6.0, which allows one to generate extremely fast solvers that are especially well suited for low-level hardware. Generating such solver is done similarly to the QP General solver, that is, by specifying the model through the stages object, as explained in the previous video. The main difference in the solver generation workflow between the QP General and QP Fast solvers is a tuning step, which will be explained in details in this video. In particular, a QP Fast algorithm can be tailored to a specific application via tuning in order to maximize performance. FORCEPRO supports an automated tuning tool called AutoTuner for choosing the optimal tuning parameters. A key step in tuning a QP Fast solver is collecting the data on which it can be tuned. There are two options for obtaining the tuning data. Option 1 is comprised of generating a QP General solver which does not require tuning, followed by performing simulations and collecting and storing the inputs to the solver at runtime. Option 2 would be to obtain the tuning data directly from simulating the existing dynamical model. Once the tuning data has been collected, a QP Fast solver can be generated and tuned as follows. The auto-tuning procedure allows for quite a bit of customization, which can be specified through the Forces Auto-Tune Options object. For instance, one can set the number of minutes and the number of iterations the tuning should last, as well as the percentage of problems which are allowed to fail to converge for a tuning to be acceptable. FORCEPRO Auto-Tuning tool also allows the user to automatically validate the auto-tuner results. The purpose of the validation is to check that the tuning found by the auto-tuner provides a solver which meets the requirements, be it speed or control performance, for a given application. This completes the general overview of the FORCEPRO QP Fast solver. In the next video, we will show the code example for running the FORCEPRO QP Fast solver on active suspension control application.